What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. That's right, the vlog is back. Today I'm going to pick up my R32 from my buddy's house that's been sort of plugging away on it for the past, I don't know, 6 months or so. But I got another friend that is going to come with his trailer, pick it up, and we're going to take it back to the house here. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and stay tuned, and you'll get to see the car sort of like completed-ish. It doesn't run still, but it'll be in one piece. So peep the lineup. Oof. Is that Jimmy Oaks? Big oof.
How do you push this thing in the middle?
In the biggest oof.
Alright, so we gotta push this thing a little bit. Like, make it so it doesn't roll out of the garage.
Seems easy enough.
Yeah, so.
Balls. I'm not strong enough for this.
Hold up.
Oh, are we sliding backwards?
Yeah, let's push this way.
Ooh, that's a tail light. Oh, why my lens? I need that. There we go, she's moving.
We'll just swing it back around a little bit. That should be good.
Think so? Oh yeah, that's center. Oh, it's so cute.
I tried to peel the rest of the wrap off, but then it just like...
It's so brittle.
It's bad.
Yikes.
But yeah, I disconnected everything from the ECM and everything. That way it's not all janky anymore.
Look at the spaghetti.
Ooh, yeah.
Mega oof. The strut bar that never did a damn thing. Do you want to like put it at a sort of at an angle, like by the small garage?
Oh, like angle it pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can get other
Yeah,
cars
like
angled.
45.
For sure.
Sweet. What do you think, Kai?
I think I'm hungry.
Think you're hungry? Is that what we're doing now? We're gonna go out to eat? Where are we going?
I don't know. I actually have a confession.
Oh God. Did you buy more stuff?
No.
Buddy!
Josen bought me a mini personal pizza.
Oh, what? Oh. What? From where?
From Pizza Hut at Target. But that's okay. I'll still go.
I like all things that are food.
You look like you're really
I'm
You just did that like,
What the?
Eat some punch.
No. Punch?
yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna take her to Punch.
Hop in, guys. Let's go. There we go. And she'll fire right up. No problem. Just, let me find my... Oh.
Dang, this thing's fucking nice.
Can you put this in for me quick? We're gonna need that.
Is it a sensor?
We might need the intake manifold too. Oh, I think the trans oil's out of it. Here. Just fill that up from the engine bay. That's like a super old...
Here, pop the trunk. I'll get that.
Pop the trunk. We got a super old like Aspire Toledo tank. Actually, I think that's a dripper in there. We'll just leave that up there for the next poor sucker that gets this thing. Hi, pup. What do you think? What do you guys think? She's in her final resting place. We're gonna go get some punch, and I think that's about it. We're gonna go get some punch. Punch?
Yeah. Grab this, ready?
Oh my God! Ooh! That little shimmy. That little shimmy. What do you think, pup?
What do you think, Daisy?
Yeah. She's so happy. It's probably too windy for this, but you guys just saw Kyle's video like 2 weeks ago or something, or probably 3 weeks ago at this point. But he is in full winter mode now. He's got his stock wheels back on there. No center caps because fuck them. We're gonna go get some yummies. Oof. Big oof.
You drinking bubbly?
What you
Me?
What you drinking and driving the bubbly for?
Whose is that? That's probably been in here for so long. Oh, Doug likes bubbly.
I just found it
On the floor, along with.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Storage Wars.
Storage.
I don't know whose shed this is, but we're gonna take a look inside. They got a jet ski. Damn!
Wait, I thought they sold that.
Look
oh
at
no,
that.
they sold the.
Yeah, he was going to. I don't think he ever did. All right, I see an R32 bumper up there. We got some potato cannons. The flint's still good. Oh, how am I gonna get up there? Balls. Oh, I don't want to stand on that, do I? You ready? Here's some.
Watch out,
freaking-
Daisy.
It's good for it. Oh, baby! Come here! Yeah, that seems safe.
False.
Yeah, no kidding. Probably will. It's super wobbly. Oh god.
Hi, Twiggy boy.
Oh my god. Oh.
Did I spook ya?
Stop being. You know what we should do is get that out.
Yo, that's
You
sick as fuck. What was that?
What?
I don't even know.
A car?
It looked like a, I don't even know what that was.
I don't even know what it was, but it's really cool.
Don't say I never did nothing for you. Look at that. They don't teach you that in school. All right, we're gonna take all this goodness up to the front and sort of piece everything together a little bit. We made it. Well, it's here. This is where it's gonna sit for like forever. We got the bumper, the grill, and the other headlight put in. As you can see, it's a little shitty, but it's only worth pretty much nothing. There's literally nothing. I'll show you the engine bay. Actually, I don't even think we talked about the engine bay. But the hood strut is a little worse for wear, so it's probably gonna slam shut on me. But you guys can see here we have the 3.6 from the Passat. I believe it's from the CC, and they just couldn't ever, like, I took it to 3 different places, and no one could ever figure out how to get it to actually spark. So it's just been sitting for about 3 years now. I've already sold it, so about 5 months from now, guy's gonna be making payments, so it'll sit here for 5 months and then he can come and pick it up. But brakes are pretty rusty. I did an amazing job on these gold calipers. Just sprayed them while they were on the car. Really good idea. Now I just gotta peel the rest of the wrap off, and that should do it. It does have mint interior though, also, which is kind of a plus. Seats are in really good condition still. It's kind of bittersweet, man. It's kind of bittersweet. I got my car back that I loved so much, and now it's just gonna sit here. I got a car cover coming for it on Monday, so I'll be wrapping it up for the winter so it doesn't get flooded again. It doesn't have a rain tray in it, so water just dumps down the passenger side whenever it rains or snows. It's cold, but I think that's gonna do it for this episode of the this episode. We're not gaming. That's gonna do it for the vlog today, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.